What's going on, guys? We're out here on the family farm in southern Ohio. So today's a pretty cool day. We are in the first stages of getting our CREP buffer strips. So that's similar as the CRP program. It's Conservation Reserve Erosion Program. We're able to do this on this property here with this creek, and this field and the field there on the south are in the 100-year floodplain. But as you can see, we are applying the herbicide with a drone. So we have a company out today called Midwest Air. They're getting the herbicide down for us today. So it's a total of about 19 acres that we're putting into these CREP buffer strips. And they're gonna have it done here in about 45 minutes. So it's pretty cool. So in these strips, you can see some of these pink flags that we have marked here. The strips pretty much go out about 200 feet off of the creek edge, all the way down to the power line down there on both sides of the creek. This is going to be a mixture of a lot of different warm season grasses. We got Shawnee switchgrass, we got big and little blue stem, some purple top as well, bunch of different forbs and legumes. Pretty excited to get this done. We're doing this first initial spray. This is the first week of April right now. So we're gonna come back through either first or second week of May and do a same day spray of herbicide on the day that we plant. So everything's gonna get no-tilled. These strips all the way down, like I said, is about 19 acres on both sides here that we're putting into these strips here. We've been wanting to do this for the last couple years, so we're pretty excited. Today is the day one of getting everything in. So pretty cool to see this drone work. It's we were gonna come out here and spray all this stuff ourselves, but we were sold when they told us they could do all this in an hour or less. So pretty cool. This is definitely my first time ever seeing a drone operate of this capacity. It can hold, I think he said, about 12 gallons of herbicide per trip. So it's pretty cool to see. We're definitely going to be working with them more on some more projects, hopefully.